Hi guys, so today we are making chicken gola kebab, and before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel then do subscribe, like, share and comment as well so that you can easily get my new videos whenever I come up with a new one. So let's get started. So these are chicken gola kebab, but if you want to make mutton gola kebab, then don't forget to use meat tenderizer. Because of that it will be very easier for you to make it tender and soft. But if you don't have meat tenderizer, use kachri powder or papita, because it will be very much easy for you to make it tender. Now let's get started with these chicken gola kebab recipe. Chopper, you have to add 1 kg of bite-sized chicken. It should be bite-sized. With that I'm adding 1 large onion that is finely fried and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Use the fresh paste, do not use powdered one, because the fresh one will give a very enhancing taste to the gola kebabs. In this plate I have got some very interesting spices: salt 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder half tablespoon, chili flakes 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, cumin seeds 2 tablespoon and 4 chopped green chilies. If you want to make it more spicy, make the amount of black pepper powder, chili flakes and green chilies more. And now I'm adding all of these spices into the chopper. With that I'm adding other half of the fried onion. If you don't have a large one, add 2 medium sized. With that I've added 125 ml of cream, and here I've got corn flour 2 tablespoons. If you don't have corn flour, use besan or gram flour of the same amount of the same 2 tablespoons. With that I have added partially melted butter, which is 3 tablespoons. Now I have covered it up, and now just start the chopper and chop it down. The bite-sized chicken will make it more easier for you. It will make the process more shorter and easier. If you don't make it bite-sized, it will take much longer. And here it has perfectly chopped down, and move it now in a bowl. Here guys, I have introduced a straw trick. If you put a straw into the gola kebab, not only will make the shape gola, but also if you also make a hole into it, by the hole, not only it will look very stylish, impressive towards your guests, towards whoever you want to impress, but also it will make the process of the cooking or the frying of these kebabs more easier. It will take much lesser time to cook them. If you don't do it, it will take longer time. That's why I say it as a straw trick, which will only get you lesser time. Here I have made the kebabs, and now guys, here I have heated up the pan at medium flame with 3 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm adding all the kebabs I made. And when they are brown, golden brown, just flip them very gently. Do not do it so quickly because they might break. And now you have to cover it up and cook them at low flame 10 to 15 minutes. Not only the covering process will make them easier to cook, but also it will make them juicier, which will actually take out all the tastes, and it will make it more much better. And the final touch, the barbecue touch, which I say, in a foil you have to place the heated coal. On that you have to add some oil, and you have to cover it up and let it be like that for 2 to 3 minutes at lowest possible flame. And now after 2-3 minutes they were done. Now I'm just removing them in a plate. With that I'm having them with some vegetables like cucumber and onion. You can have them with raita, with rice, with naan. Naan will make them more tastier. You can use them in any sandwiches, in shawarmas. They will always make the side dishes much more interesting.